Ito so? The view is just so heavenly on this way. I just can't imagine I'm saying this and I'm traveling along this beautiful roadside, seeing this view. It's just so heavenly. And while editing these videos, reliving the moments again, I'm just so calm and refreshed. This view is really so heartfelt and so beautiful. That's why you should travel, just seeing this beautiful world and experiencing the beautiful nature and enjoying it.